Let us discuss combination of resistances. There are two methods. One is known as series, another is known as parallel combination. Let us discuss one by one. First of all, let us discuss series combination. In case of series combination, different resistances are joined by one way. Like this. R1, R2, R3 are the resistances to which a battery is connected, through which current I is flowing. Let these are the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Let V1 is potential drop across R1, V2 is potential drop across R2, and V3 is the potential drop across R3, that is third resistance. In case of series combination, current through each resistance is same and potential difference get added. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. As V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, and V3 is equal to IR3. Using this, we can write V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. That is equal to, keeping I common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is equation number 1. If RS is the equivalent resistance for series combination, then we can write V is equal to IRS. This is equation number 2. From these two equations, that is 1 and 2, we can write IRS is equal to IR1 plus R2 plus R3. Cancelling I with I on both sides, RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, series resistance is addition of the three resistances R1, R2 and R3. So in case of series resistance, all resistances get added. Simple method is there. Now, one thing should kept in mind that if n identical resistances are connected in series, then equivalent resistance RS will be NR. That is, resistance which are connected in series get multiplied by the number. That is, how much resistances are connected in a series. So effect of series combination is to increase the resistance. Let's try to solve a question taking example. R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 7 ohm, and R3 is equal to 2 ohm. All these resistances connected in series. First resistance is 5 ohm, second is 7 ohm, and third is 2 ohm. Between two ends A and B. Then R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Keeping all these values, 5 plus 7 plus 2, that is equal to 14 ohm. If someone say that find the current through the these resistances, then V is the potential, that is of 28 volt, and I is the current which is to be find out. Then by Ohm's law, we can simply write V is equal to IR. Then 28 is equal to I is we have to find out, and R is equal to 14 ohm as we calculated earlier. So I is equal to 28 by 14, that is equal to 2. So I is 2 ampere. So 2 ampere is the current flowing through this circuit. So in this way we can find out the current as well as resistance, that is of 14 ohm. So this is the method by which we can simply find out the resistances and currents through the circuit for series combination. Thank you.